Nowadays, the zero sugar fruit flavored drink becomes more popular. In today's video, I want to show you how to make it at home. It has a 0 calorie, but rich with aroma from the fruit. You can use it as additive in the hot or cold drink, or make an ice cube, additive in the ice cream, or even use with your face mask, put in the lotion, or just use it as a facial spray. In today's demonstration, I use a cantaloupe as example to do the steam distillation to extract the hydrosol from the fruit. And you can use the same way to make extract from other fruits. If you're interested in the pineapple or apple, please watch my other videos. And in this process, so we're gonna use the LETIME KD5 hydrosol distiller doing steam distillation. So the steam will go through the fruit and extract its flavor and aroma into the hydrosol. As usual, show you the color of this hydrosol. The seeds are clear, transparent. It's normal for this fruit hydrosol. I'm going to do a aroma test. Just pour a little bit in the palm and scrub it. And deep breathe, smell it. This is common for aromatherapy, but we can use for the hydrosol. The smell is pretty close to the fresh cantaloupe. It has a more sweet flavor because after steam distillation, some of the chemicals change into the oxidized form, and that's why you feel the difference between the either essential oil or hydrosol with a fresh herb. But it's common. When it's getting drier, I feel a stronger cantaloupe flavor. Okay, thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.